Most creators waste hundreds monthly on AI tools they don't need. Today, I'm breaking down exactly which free tools rival paid versions and when paid actually matters. Free AI tools have exploded in quality. ChatGPT free, Canva's AI features, and Perplexity compete with premium tools. But here's the reality: free versions have limits. Understanding trade-offs saves time and money. Paid tools offer unlimited usage, priority support, and advanced features. For freelancers and small businesses, knowing which tier fits your workflow is critical. ChatGPT free handles 90% of content needs. Canva's free AI design features work for social media. Perplexity gives better research than ChatGPT. These tools let you test workflows before paying. Most creators succeed staying in the free tier until they hit usage caps or need specific features. Go paid when you hit free usage limits, need commercial rights, require priority support, or want advanced features like custom GPTs. Claude Pro, Midjourney, and ChatGPT Plus offer genuine upgrades. Calculate your time saved versus subscription cost. If a 20 tool saves 5 hours monthly, it pays for itself. Paid tools aren't scams, they're for scaling businesses that have validated their workflow. The winning approach? Master free tools first. Use ChatGPT free, Canva free, Perplexity free. Once you identify your bottleneck, whether it's image generation, video editing, or copywriting, invest if VFO saves 5 hours monthly, it pays. This hybrid model keeps costs minimal while unlocking growth. Most successful creators use 5 free tools and 2 paid ones. That's the sweet spot. Which free tool surprises you most? Drop your favorite in comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns that save you money.